I'll solve ammonia process, ammonia recovery tower. Then second is physical properties, physical properties of sodium carbonate. Physical properties of sodium carbonate. Number one, पहला first point, physical state. Physical state. Physical state means crystalline state, crystalline state. Second, color, color, white, white in color. Third, solubility, soluble in water, soluble in water. Fourth, density, density, denser than water, denser than water. Fifth point, melting point and boiling point. Melting point, boiling points is greater than 4.2. Few important topics of physical properties of sodium carbonate or soda is: number one, sodium carbonate is crystalline. Physical state, crystalline state or crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. Color, white in color. Third, solubility, soluble in water, completely dissolved in water. Density, denser than water, and boiling point, melting point is greater than water. So some physical properties of sodium carbonate. If sodium carbonate react with water, chemical, next heading, chemical properties of sodium carbonate. Chemical properties of sodium carbonate. Physical properties of sodium carbonate and chemical properties of sodium carbonate. Number one, पहला point, first of all, reaction with carbon dioxide and water. Sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide and water. Sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide and water and form sodium bicarbonate. 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate. First reaction, sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide and water and form sodium bicarbonate, is baking soda. Reaction number 2, washing soda, Na₂CO₃ dot 10H2O, Na₂CO₃ dot 10H2O. At the high temperature, heating the sodium carbonate decahydrate, then it is converted into sodium carbonate monohydrate. Sodium carbonate monohydrate plus 9 molecules of water, or sodium carbonate monohydrate is after heating is totally converted into sodium carbonate and water. The most important chemical properties of sodium carbonate: reaction with carbon dioxide and water, and reaction with heat, sodium carbonate decahydrate, washing soda called washing soda. A washing soda Na₂CO₃.10H2O after heating is converted to sodium carbonate monohydrate, 9 molecules water free हो जाएंगे. Then sodium carbonate monohydrate is again heating and converted into sodium carbonate or soda ice. So, some important reactions of some physical properties of sodium carbonate and some chemical properties of sodium carbonate, Na₂CO₃, and physical properties of sodium carbonate. Both are most important topic of sodium carbonate. And last, uses of sodium carbonate. Uses of sodium carbonate. Number one, pehla, washing soda is used in the cleansing action. Second, is also used in the washing clothes and vehicles. Washing soda is also used in the ceramic industries, glass industries, and number of various type of industries. Washing soda is also used in the preparation of another type of compounds like sodium compounds, like sodium bicarbonate. Sodium carbonate is also used as a reagent in number of reactions. So it's the most important topics of important uses of sodium carbonate. Please note down it. Next, सोडियम कार्बोनेट के बाद थर्ड ऑप्शन इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट NaHCO₃ is called sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO₃. The molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate is sodium 23, hydrogen 1, carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 3. 23 plus 1, 24 plus 12, 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 12, 60 plus 24, 84. The molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate is 84. Sodium bicarbonate is also called baking soda. And sodium bicarbonate is also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, this is the most important topics. Sodium bicarbonate, बेकिंग सोडा, खाने वाला सोडा जो आप फूड को करते हैं अलग अलग टाइप से. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट is the main compounds of sodium. It is also used in number of reactions. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का प्रिपरेशन कैसे होगा हम वो देखते हैं. मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, method of preparation, of sodium bicarbonate. Number one, first method, by the help of by the help of sodium carbonate. First, by the help of sodium carbonate. कैसे? Sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide and water and form sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. One molecules of sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide water and form sodium bicarbonate. Reaction number 2, second, by the help of ammonium bicarbonate, by the help of ammonium bicarbonate. अमोनियम बाइकार्बोनेट से कैसे बनेगा बेकिंग सोडा? देखिए, अमोनियम बाइकार्बोनेट react with sodium chloride or brine and form sodium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride. Baking soda. So, baking soda. So, I think these most second important topics. First, discuss about sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, molecular mass 84, chemical formula NaHCO₃, method of preparation. Two method है. Number 1, by the help of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide and water and form sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda. Second, by the help of ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate react with sodium chloride and form baking soda with sodium chloride. Two different or most important topics, so remember it. Third and most important topics, physical properties of baking soda. Physical properties. Physical properties of baking soda. Number 1, first topic, baking soda is white, crystalline, solid, white crystalline solid. Point number 2, soluble in water, soluble in water. Third, density is greater than water. Greater than water. Fourth point, melting point and boiling point is greater than water. So, few physical properties of sodium bicarbonate. Number 1, white crystalline solid. Number 2, soluble in water. Number 3, density is greater than water. Number 4, melting point, boiling point is greater than water. Next, important topics of sodium bicarbonate is uses. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. Number 1, पहला यूज सबसे पहला, in the preparation of medicine, in the preparation of of medicine. In the preparation of medicine. Point number 2, it is also used in bakery products. जितने बेकरी प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं, केक, ब्रेड, बिस्किट, सब में इसको यूज किया जाता है, बेकिंग सोडा को. थर्ड पॉइंट, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर के प्रिपरेशन में भी इसकी हेल्प की जाती है. एंड फोर्थ, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ वॉशिंग सोडा. Washing soda. So the different modes of compounds. First, sodium bicarbonate, molecular mass 23, 1, 12, 16 into 3, total is 84. Also known as a baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Method of preparation. Method of preparation of sodium bicarbonate. सबसे पहला, first by the help of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate react with carbon dioxide and water and form sodium bicarbonate baking soda. By the help of ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate react with sodium chloride and form sodium bicarbonate baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate baking soda and ammonium chloride. Some physical properties of baking soda. Number 1, pehla, white crystalline solid. Number 2, soluble in water. Number 3, density is greater than water. Number 4, melting point, boiling point is greater than water. Uses of baking soda. Number 1, in the preparation of medicine. Like if you know antacid, medicine का नाम antacids. एसिडिटी को रिमूव करने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बेकरी प्रोडक्ट लाइक केक, ब्रेड एंड सो ऑन. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ वॉशिंग सोडा एंड इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स. जितने भी टाइप की कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बनती है उनके अंदर भी हम वॉशिंग सोडा इसको बेकिंग सोडे को यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट नोट कर लीजिए. बेकिंग सोडा, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट के बाद थर्ड इंपोर्टेंट टॉपिक इज caustic soda, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. It is also called caustic soda. Caustic soda. The molecular mass of sodium hydroxide, molecular mass is 23 plus 16 plus 1, total 40 chunks. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Number of chemical reactions is based on sodium hydroxide. So the method of preparation, method of preparation of sodium hydroxide. Number 1, first method, lime caustic soda process. The first method is lime caustic soda process. What do you mean by lime caustic soda process? Is the normal calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide react with sodium carbonate Na₂CO₃. Calcium hydroxide react with sodium carbonate and form two molecules of sodium hydroxide plus calcium carbonate. The most important process is lime caustic soda process. Lime caustic soda process means calcium hydroxide react with sodium carbonate and form sodium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. This is the most important things in the preparation of lime caustic soda process: calcium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. Method number 2, second method. Second method is called electrolytic method. Electrolytic method. Electrolytic methods having Nelson cell. Nelson cells graphite rod, anode positive, brine, chlorine gas, this is the most important topics is the porous sheet and the accumulation sodium hydroxide. Brine means aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Brine means aqueous solution of sodium chloride. These are different points: anode, cathode points. So, it is the most important topics of this. Note down it. Different types of compounds is necessary for the method of preparation of Nelson cells and graphite rod. Center rod is called graphite rod. Second is brine. Brine means sodium chloride. And cathode points, chlorine gas. Insert in the containers. Remember it, some few different divisions of the cell, brines or chlorine gas. Nelson cells is also used in the electrolytic refinings. Two different processes occur at the anode point and cathode point. Sodium hydroxide on sodium chloride and water molecules. Sodium chloride is ionized. Sodium chloride is ionized in sodium positive and Cl negative, while water is ionized in hydrogen positive, H positive and OH negative. At the anode point, anode with positive points, negative ions Cl negative accept electron and is converted into loss of electron, converted into chlorine at two molecules Cl2, and at the cathode point, at the cathode point negative. What happened at the cathode point? Cathode point sodium positive ions receive electron and it's converted into sodium. At anode points also OH negative ions receive electrons, single electron, and convert into hydroxyl OH. So the different mode of preparation of sodium chloride, Nelson cells, graphite rod, brines, sodium chloride, NaCl, NaOH, chlorine gas and cathode. Are the different main divisions of these? Note down it. So most important topics of the preparation of formation of graphite rod. In this cell, Nelson cells especially, graphite rod anode and cathode points is identified by the help of steel tanks. That is the asbestos, also made up by asbestos, divisions. Okay, note down it. Okay. Last topic is if preparation of sodium hydroxide is done by Nelson cell, is also having some two different cells, Castner-Kellner cells, Solveitov cell and so on. But main headings of the preparation of caustic soda is one, lime caustic soda process, sodium carbonate react with calcium hydroxide and form sodium hydroxide, and second is Nelson cells, electrolytic refining, Nelson cells, Castner-Kellner cells and Solveitov cell. Next heading is physical properties of sodium hydroxide. Physical properties. Physical properties of sodium hydroxide. Number one, pehla, first physical state. Sodium hydroxide, caustic soda or this is solid crystalline form, solid crystalline form. Point number 2, color. Again, white color. Third, density greater than water. And melting point, boiling point. Greater than water. Greater than water. Solubility. Soluble in water. Soluble in water. And last, solubility के अलावा एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और वो है आपका रिएक्टिविटी और नेचर एंड नेचर. बेसिक इन नेचर. strong basic in nature. Reactivity is basic in nature. So this is the most important topic: color, density, melting point, boiling point, solubility and reactivity. Okay, so this is the most important physical properties of sodium hydroxide. Number 1, physical state, solid crystalline state. Number 2, second, color, white in color. Third, density greater than water. Melting point and boiling points is again greater than water. Solubility, caustic soda, sodium hydroxide is completely dissolved in water. Next, reactivity and nature, basic in nature. So most important topics of sodium hydroxide, physical property. Next, chemical properties of sodium hydroxide. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of sodium hydroxide. Number 1, first reaction, reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. Sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride and water. This reaction is also called neutralization reaction. This reaction is also called neutralization. Neutralization reaction. Reaction number 2, second reaction. Sodium hydroxide react with another metals like react with water, sodium hydroxide react with water, sodium hydroxide react with water and ionize in sodium positive, OH negative, H positive and OH negative. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड वाटर में कंप्लीट डिसॉल्व हो जाता है और वो खुद भी आयोनाइज हो जाएगा, देन वाटर को भी आयोनाइज फॉर्म में चेंज करेगा. नंबर ऑफ रिएक्शंस ऑफ कास्टिक सोडा. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड नंबर रिएक्शंस. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आयोनाइजेशन रिएक्शन, ionize in sodium positive and OH negative. So some important reaction of sodium hydroxide, caustic soda and different reactions is also formed in the preparation of another compounds like, remember it, one most important reaction is Dumas reactions, decarboxylation, Dumas decarboxylation reaction acetic acid CH3CHH react with sodium hydroxide NaOH, CH3 react with hydrogen and form methane plus sodium bicarbonate NaHCO₃. This is called Dumas decarboxylation reaction. Is also one important reaction of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide react with acetic acid and form methane with sodium bicarbonate. Reaction with acid, neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride and water molecules. Second step, water react with sodium hydroxide and is ionized in sodium positive, OH negative, H positive, OH negative. And sodium hydroxide is totally ionized in the form of sodium positive and OH negative. And fourth reaction is Dumas decarboxylation reaction. It is also used in the preparation of methane. Methane का preparation की reaction है. Acetic acid CH3CHH react with caustic soda NaOH and hydrogen react with methyl compounds, methyl groups and form CH4 plus sodium bicarbonate NaHCO₃. This is the most important topics of sodium hydroxide. And last topic is uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used, number one, pehla, in the preparation of paper, in the preparation of soap, in the preparation of many compounds. Sodium hydroxide is also used in the neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide is also used in the preparation of methane gas. Sodium hydroxide is also used in the preparation of salt like NaCl. So number of uses of sodium hydroxide is done in the reactions. Sodium hydroxide is also used in the preparation of cell. The strong base, number of reactions is conducted by sodium hydroxide. Okay, so note down it.